Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Ford Escape Titanium 4-wheel drive. Comes equipped with a 2-liter EcoBoost turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as adaptive cruise control, dual pane sunroof, 19-inch alloy wheels, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these huge doors with tons of extra storage on the bottom as well as an extra cup holder. You have speakers on the bottom as well. You're going to have that chrome accent with those power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, as well as your seat memory. Both the seats are very comfortable. Driver adjustable lumbar, heated seats, of course. And onto the left here, we're going to have our lighting control as well as our rear liftgate controls. And onto the steering wheel on the left, we're going to have our cluster control as well as our adaptive cruise control and just the regular cruise control. And the right side, obviously our voice recognition and our volume control. Pretty much you can access your trip odometer, average fuel, distance to empty, obviously the essentials and other things, as well as your adaptive cruise control. You can have your lane keep assist right there as well. And moving on to the center console here, you're going to have this touchscreen infotainment system equipped with Bluetooth connectivity as well as built-in navigation, and you can access other apps as well as your Sirius XM travel link. You're going to have a dual zone climate control. You're going to have your heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, and of course you're going to have your automatic parking and your park assist. It's going to come equipped with your USB port and a 12-volt DC port, storage and cup holders as well as your parking brake, and as well as the double glove box with an extra USB port inside. Passenger side's getting that same finish, especially across the door and across the dash. You're going to have speakers up top, and as well as you can access your sunglass case holder and your dual pane sunroof. You're going to have these 19-inch alloy wheels as well as these paint match mirror cap and keyless entry door handles. You're also going to have luggage racks up top. Once we move in the back, you're going to have dual exhaust as well as a trailer hitch. We're also going to have the hands-free lift gate. It's going to come equipped with a splitter as well in case you want to put that up for extra storage, as well as you're going to have extra storage compartments and hooks on the side, as well as extra wheel well storage and tools if you know how to change the tire. Very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear, it's going to have that same style of speakers on the bottom, cup holder and storage, as well as your power windows, extra speakers as well. Once we get in the back, of course, we're going to have storage behind the passenger and driver seat, as well as rear ventilation and an AC wall charger here in the back. Oh, sorry, to get a better look at that. Of course, in the middle, we're going to have the cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side, as well as our dual pane sunroof right above us. Well, thank you so much for watching today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2019 Ford Escape Platinum 4-wheel drive. Comes equipped with a 2-liter EcoBoost turbo engine as well as a 6-speed automatic transmission, dual pane sunroof, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.